All right, so we're going to do four different types of roofs. So far, you should have just used the rectangle tool, make sure it's 10-foot high roof, and just do a couple random structures like this. Okay, so the first roof we're going to do is a shed roof. It says, hey, do you want to move it to level 2? Yeah. Or just go to level 2 if you want there. So what you want to do here, this is a really important button. It says define slope. So I'll have, say, a 3-foot overhang. I'm going to click on this right here. So that one has a slope. And then I'm going to uncheck this box for the other 3 different walls, roofs. Okay, so green checkbox, and let's see how it looks. Would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? Yes. So, view 3D. Okay, so here's a shed roof. Down here is called the slope. And for every 3 inches, or it will go, for every 12 inches down, it'll go up 3. So this is called a, they would call this a 312 pitch. If you want to be steeper, so that's what the pitch is about. Okay, let's do the next roof here. I'm going to go here to roof. This time what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3-foot overhang, define slope. I'm going to do this side and this side is going to have a slope, and my other 2 sides are not going to have a slope. And I will have the pitch be like 312. Okay, so on this guy, all right, there's that style. So we have shed, gable done. Let's do a hip roof really fast. So hip roof is really pretty easy. All you're going to do is go to roof, and you're going to have define slope for all 4 sides. 1. Make sure, by the way, that yeah, all 4 sides have a slope. So did that. We'll do 312 again. Let's say if I hit no on this, I'm going to hit no here. And let's take a look at what it does. See? Okay, looks good. And let's go ahead and do one more. So I'm going to go ahead. This time I'm going to go to roof, and I'm going to hit the down arrow key. And it says roof by extrusion. This is where you can do rounded roofs. So I'm going to go ahead, pick plane here, and I'll pick on one side of the roof, and you hit open view. Hit OK. And over here is a spline tool. I could hit the spline tool, and I could go like left click, left click, left click. So you could do any design that you want. All right, so you see this right here? We could adjust this. The extrusion end right here is how you can play with some of this stuff. So this is how you get some lengths right, things like that. Let's take a look also. Let's zoom into this guy real fast. Another thing you have to know is if you click on a wall, you click a wall like this button says attach top to base. So if I click this, then it says, what do you want to attach it to? This roof. So that's how you have walls fill in the empty airspace. Does that make sense? And of course, detach if you want to detach. So I would like you, when you do this exercise, I would like you to go ahead and click the wall, attach to base, hit the roof there. Now for your guys' house, we're going to do this first, this exercise, but for your house, you know, you get to decide what roof. I will say that the low sloping roof, if placed on a south direction, is the best roof for solar panels. If you have a low sloping shed roof, south facing, and you want to be all green and have solar panels, there's no better roof than that. But you still can have, say, a hip roof, and then as long as one roof is on the south side to catch the sun, that would work for half a roof.